My name is Olivier Adam. I'm CCO for Novastone. Novastone is a communication platform based on chat that allows financial institutions to engage with their high-value clients. Thinking about private banking, wealth management, but even commercial banks and markets teams, they have engagement on a daily basis with stakeholders outside of the bank. So they would be clients, partners, and the like. And those external stakeholders, they want to be engaging in a closer manner with the bank, with the financial institutions. So that's really what Novastone provides, is that ability to do that engagement. And to do that engagement not just through the own Novastone platform, but also to support platforms like WhatsApp and WeChat, which are widely and popularly used all over the world. So it was quite interesting that we've seen significant traction in the Asian market, and part of it has come from our journey in terms of evolution of the product. So indeed, when we first launched the integration, we went with WhatsApp, right? Being a London-based company, WhatsApp is the commonly used IM platform in the market. But we very quickly saw that there's a huge opportunity to also integrate with WeChat. So when integrated with WeChat, before integrating with other platforms like Facebook Messenger or iMessage or the like, because we saw that opportunity in Asia. And really, having WhatsApp and WeChat is pretty much 95% of what you would be expecting here in Hong Kong or in Singapore or across the region. You will have after that some localized platforms, and platforms that we were not aware of until a couple of years ago, that we now know we will have to sooner or later integrate with and add to our ecosystem. Platforms like Line for Japan and Taiwan and Thailand, or KakaoTalk for Korea, for example. Yes. So we're part of actually the first Hong Kong UK Fintech bridge. So we're one of the 8 companies selected to be part of that bridge, which was to really get a closer engagement between UK-based fintech companies and the Hong Kong financial sector environment. So, and it's been great because we already actually have a client here. So for us, it's always been kind of an interest of Hong Kong, and being part of that bridge also supported our decision to, in the near future, we want to start opening an office here. We need to be closer to our clients. But it's also to continue expanding our footprint across the region. So there's a lot more financial institutions in the region, both in Hong Kong, but in the greater South Asia region. And so Hong Kong is a great launching pad for all of those institutions. So it's for a little bit of a mix of supporting our existing clients and expanding to even more clients in Hong Kong and in the region that really spurred us to be here. I've been amazed in a sense, and I'll go back 5 years instead. And 5 years ago, we were talking about RPA and the like, where it was the end of the relationship manager, right? Like everything was going to be automated. People would be talking only to robots, and robots would be better, more efficient, and obviously cheaper than human beings. We've seen that it's not been the case at all. I mean, banks, small and big, are doubling their investment on people. They're getting more relationship managers. They're providing that more human experience. So we've seen it's been going that way. But what we've seen is that now they're trying to use technology to make those people more effective. So instead of replacing them, it's really an idea of enhancing the effectiveness of your staff, of your relationship managers, of your wealth managers, so they can provide a better service. Obviously, the end goal of the financial institution is to get more assets under management, but really to drive that efficiency as opposed to replacing them. So I think that's a trend we're seeing now, and it's becoming an interesting touch point. That's really an interesting subject, I should say, that a lot of institutions are seeing.